Hi, hello, and namaste. So, I'm planning to teach you German from the basic level to the advanced and in an orderly way, so those who are self tutoring themselves they don't find trouble in guessing the order in which they have to learn in order to make their base strong. And plus, for all my Desi Bhai Behan, I am going to be teaching and explaining also in Hindi because Hindi and German both similar languages हैं. Then I'm going to be starting with alphabets now. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now you saw that pronunciation is different. And some things are confusing, like yacht. J is yacht, and G is gay. So G is gay in German. Sorry. And Z, it's different. V is pronounced as V. So about these letters, I'm going to explain you how are they pronounced in words so that you know how to pronounce a word as a beginner. So firstly, S is pronounced as Z in German, and Z, which is Z, it is pronounced as with the sound of S. It's confusing, but it's like that. And J is always has a sound of Y, Y. So that's why J is yacht in German. And then we have vowel. Vowel always has a sound of F. So V always has a sound of F in all the German words. So these are the alphabets, and I have told you some basic pronunciations. Then we have 4 more extra letters in German. So we have something called umlaut. These are 2 double dots on top of letters A, O, U. A, O, U, when they get these 2 double dots, the pronunciation changes. Like, I will give you example. So when A has these 2 double dots, otherwise A is called A in German. But when these 2 double dots are there on top of A, it's pronounced as A, like normal alphabet in English. And when O has these 2 double dots instead of O, it's pronounced as Ew. Ew. So even A has a little bit like A kind of factor. You understand now what I'm saying? O. O is U in German, and U with the 2 umlaut, with the 2 dots, it's pronounced as U. Not ew, a bit, small U. And then we have the last letter in German alphabets, which is set. Not set, Z, no, it's set. It's a S. It's a strong S. It's replaced that double S. But now instead of that, we use double S only. So the pronunciation of double S is not like double Z because S is Z in German. It's just double S, just like in English. So this set, and that is it for today. Don't neglect it. Don't think that it's alphabet, it's going to be easy. These are the basics, and these are going to make your base strong, and this will help you to pronounce words correctly in German. Thank you. Like and subscribe my channel if you really understood something today, and if you have any suggestion, drop in the comments below.